Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the first brush from the motor. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the brush cap. Once the cap is removed, I can remove the brush. I'll install the first brush by aligning it with the brush holder and then reinstalling the cap. To ensure that I don't strip the threads on the cap, I'll start by rotating the brush cap backwards until I feel the threads engage, and then tying it up. And I'll repeat this for the second brush. And that's all it takes to replace the carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.